everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install backup camera in 2014 Audi A6. So we use the factory loop camera, which is trunk handle camera. This is Audi 3G, and by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. Also, it retains the factory sensors with dynamic guidelines. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and we can guide you through the installation, and we can install the units for you as well. Thank you and have a great day.